I'm Sergio, the founder of Outsource Prime Accountants and Bookkeepers in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I would like to share with you about the deadline regarding corporate tax in the UAE because the Federal Tax Authority reiterated the deadlines for the registration of taxable persons for corporate tax. And this announcement was done this year. So it will be necessary to register and avoid the tax penalties. So if a person has a license issued in January or February, irrespective of the year, that person shall submit the tax registration application by May 31, 2024. So in case a person does not have license on March 1, 2024, then he shall have 3 months to submit tax registration application until May 31, 2024. So what are the requirements for the corporate tax registration? So I would like to share with you what are the requirements that we would need to do the corporate tax registration. So first, what we need to do is, uh, if you haven't created the login for Federal Tax Authority e-services, so then you would need your email and uh, username, and we would need to create an account. Now, the Federal Tax Authority also uh, mandatorily asking to do the login with UAE Pass because starting September, you won't be able to access your account without UAE Pass. Okay, so what are the requirements that we would need for corporate tax registration? So we need a valid trade license, we need a memorandum of agreement, we need the exact office address, the partner's passport and visa, the Emirates ID of the partners, and also four authorized signatory. And then we would need as well the owner's address. And like what I have said at the very beginning, we would need a mobile number. Okay, so this is the website for Federal Tax Authority. So again, if you don't have an existing account, you would need to sign up and use your UAE Pass. Okay, if you don't have any existing account. So this one, don't have an account, so you can create and sign up with UAE Pass. But if you have an existing account, then use a login with UAE Pass, or there is other login options for your email address and password. And then you would need to put your security code again. But this is only applicable for the login until September. Then everyone should log in through UAE Pass. So again, corporate tax registration is applicable to all entities that are doing business in the UAE. If you have a trade license, then automatically you would need to do your corporate tax registration. Okay, everyone is asking, is everyone needs to pay the corporate tax of 9%? Okay, so the corporate tax is applicable to the net incomes or net earnings. If you are not hitting the more than 375,000 dirhams net income or net earnings, then you would not need to pay the corporate tax of 9%, but you would need to file it. And then there is what you call SME, okay, package, where if you are not hitting 3 million dirhams in a year, then you can be exempt from filing the corporate tax of 9%. So again, if you need any help, Sergio of Outsource Prime Accountant and Bookkeepers, you can reach out to us and you can see our website with the link below. And please don't forget to share and subscribe with this YouTube channel OPAB or outsourced prime accountant and bookkeepers.